Intro. Are you ready to discover how to create passive income through rental properties and achieve financial freedom? Stay with us until the end, and I'll reveal a secret strategy to boost your rental income that most people overlook. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. What is rental income? Rental income is the money you earn from leasing out properties to tenants. It could be residential homes, apartments, or even commercial spaces. The best part? Once the property is rented, the income becomes largely passive. Let us know in the comments. Have you ever thought about investing in rental properties? What's holding you back? Drop your thoughts below, and we might answer your question in the next video. Benefits of rental income. So why should you invest in rental properties? Here are 3 key benefits. Consistent cash flow. Monthly rent provides steady income. Appreciation. Your property can increase in value over time. Tax deductions. Many property-related expenses are tax deductible, helping you save money. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people looking for passive income strategies. Steps to start earning rental income. Ready to get started? Here's how you can begin earning rental income. Research your market. Look for areas with high rental demand and growth potential. Get financing. Secure a loan or use your savings to invest in your first property. Find reliable tenants. A great tenant can make all the difference in consistent, stress-free income. Maintain the property. Keep it in good shape to avoid costly repairs and keep your tenants happy. Challenges to consider. Of course, rental income isn't without its challenges. You might face property repairs and maintenance costs, tenant turnover and vacancies, dealing with problem tenants. But with the right approach, you can minimize these issues and maximize your rental income. Maximizing your rental income. Want to increase your rental income faster? Here's a little secret. Consider leveraging short-term rentals on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. Short-term rentals often generate more income than traditional long-term leases, especially in tourist-heavy areas. If this idea interests you, drop a comment below with rental income goals so we know you're serious about building your rental empire. Rental properties are a powerful way to create long-term, passive income, but it all starts with taking that first step. Ready to start your journey to financial freedom? Comment below, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll dive into more strategies to maximize your rental profits. We've got more great content coming your way.